See, check it out. So I got the upper 4 link out. Right, here's some of the bushings right here. These are the old ones. These ones are actually in good shape. But these ones actually look like these ones. Look at that. Wore out, man, right? Damn. Just gotta clean up the bolt and stuff of that nature. Other than that, I'll show you what I did with the 4 link, the upper one. Since I got it out, I'm gonna clean it. Might as well clean it. You got it out, right? Alright. Alright, here I am in my backyard. This is my little backyard here. Oh, what? Okay. So, got the 4 link mount right there. Got it pretty much all cleaned up. I'm gonna straighten some things up. If you look on the edge, it's all rough. I'm gonna make all this all smooth it all out, make it all nice. Might as well do that since I have it done. My 4 links, my upper 4 links are hanging right there. Okay, got them all cleaned up. Gotta paint them. They were powder coated silver a long time ago, but as you saw when I took them out, they were black. Dude painted them black. I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna paint them silver again. Paint that silver again. And we're all ready to go. Alrighty. Alright, there they are hanging, all in primer. I got my silver paint down there. We're gonna paint that later. Alright, let me get to going on doing that. Hey Ray, what are you doing, buddy? How you doing? You doing okay, buddy? Yeah, you're a good dog. Alright, got them painted silver. Yeah, just gotta let them dry. Put some bushings in them. I'm gonna get that thing done tonight. And I'll show you guys tomorrow about how I cleaned it up. And I'll paint it tomorrow. Woo! Gotta do that before work because I have to work tomorrow. Alrighty, you guys have a good one. And I'll be back at this video again. Alright. Alright, here I am in my messy little area. Check it out. Got one side all done. Look at that. All nice and smooth edges. Right? Look at that edge smooth. See, some of these edges are so... Look at this one. Like hella rough. So, and then I got 2 welding spots welded, granite down. I'm gonna take those 2 down too as well, clean it all up. Oh man, she's gonna be a diamond once I get done. You know, all these rough edges will be all gone. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, kind of all gone. Gonna be all smooth like this over here. Alright, all smooth. And we'll sand her all down, paint her silver. Alright? What? Bookers! Alright, let me get back to work. Alright, there she is. All painted up. All nicely painted up. Yeah, look at that. All good bushings. Oh yeah. And then what I did too as well, I cleaned up that rear end pumpkin there, because I'm going to clean up this whole rear end, but I can't move her and I can't do anything until I get this other piece in, and then I can move her, get her underneath, and start cleaning a bunch more stuff. But I did get this whole top part clean, and I'll even clean it better than that too as well. Alright, let me get to going and putting this top 4 link in, and I'll be back.